approved, and you can tell Ellie is not here today. Well, it's because my sister and my dad went out to go get us some dinner. Well, my sister's birthday is in a couple days, and so I'm surprising her with a scavenger hunt, and we're going to watch the new Descendants, Descendants 3, up in our bonus room. This is the huge birthday card I made her. It's super cute, huh? I'm super excited. You guys will see her reaction in just a moment. Bye! We're waiting. I'm super excited. Hi. Hi. You have to read the card out loud to the camera. I know your birthday isn't for a while, but here is an early super surprise to make you smile. To find out what we're doing to do, follow your first clue. What are you waiting for? Go to the place where you snore. Yahoo! No, now, where are you going to look? How about the place we cook? Before you find your next clue, shake your rump and then go to the place where you jump.
Oh, you have to shake your rump first. Your bum.
Yeah, she did it! Head to the room where we keep our room. Congratulations! You have found them all. No more lies. Run up to the bonus room to see your surprise. Balloon! Look at this sign. What does it say? Welcome to the date night Descendants 3 premiere. So we're watching the new Descendants 3. Made some slime. You made some slime while I was gone? No. One's for me and one's for you, so we have twinning slime. Popcorn. Are these coconut? They're hazelnuts. These are... We have matching pajamas. These look like underwear. They're mine. They're so delicious. Oh, I love sweet tarts and some more chocolate. And there's some Fanta. And they got some pizza for us. So how'd you like it? I loved it. I love the pajamas. That's my favorite part too. I planned this for let's go change and then we'll come back up and show the camera. 2 to 3 months. Let's go change it. And so I've been planning this for a long time.